Hey guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add animated character to your desktop by using Desktop Mate. So Desktop Mate is an application which you can easily install in Steam. So firstly, you need to install Steam. Steam is a very popular application store where you can find a lot of cool games, applications and so on. So you can easily open up a browser, type here Steam, and go to their official website to install it. Right here, the install Steam button. So click on it and download it on your PC or laptop. After that, launch Steam on your PC, create your account, and now you need to click on Store at the top left corner. Here you can find the search box, so click on it and type here Desktop Mate. This is the application which we're looking for. So click on it, and now you need to install it. Here you can see what this application is. So to install it, click right here on free and install this application on your PC. Okay, after the installation, you'll be able to launch it. Click on launch. Okay, just wait a bit. You can already close Steam and go back to your desktop. And after a minute, you will see this really cute girl on your right on your desktop. Here's the short tutorial. So right-click the character to open the menu. Try scrolling. You can get bigger or get smaller this character. Try moving character, drag and drop it to the edge of the screen or over a window. Play around with the cursor. Also set an alarm by right-clicking on this character, and also you can change your character by buying DLC. We can, for example, put it right here or on the window. Let me show you how to do it, just like that. Of course, you can right-click on it and, for example, add alarm and so on. It's very cool application. So it was a short tutorial. I hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.